Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a whirlwind tour through the latest developments shaking up the crypto markets and world politics. We'll cover Donald Trump Jr.'s Bitcoin expansion, Ethereum's institutional surge, Ripple's legal breakthrough, shifting Fed signals, and even a major peace deal in the works for Ukraine. Buckle up. First up, American Bitcoin, backed by Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, is going global. They're targeting acquisitions in Asia, including a publicly listed firm in Japan and potential entry into Hong Kong. The goal? Build a massive Bitcoin reserve and become a crypto treasury company, similar to MicroStrategy. They're going public in the U.S. via a reverse merger this September. Ethereum is on fire. Analysts project it could hit $9,600. Driven by over $3 billion in institutional inflows this August and favorable regulatory shifts. It recently broke above its 365-day moving average, pointing to major bullish momentum. If you're tracking crypto regulation, this one's big. Ripple and the U.S. SEC have jointly filed to end their long-standing lawsuit. The SEC's Project Crypto aims to accelerate growth for U.S. Web3 companies. With legal clarity coming, XRP is showing signs of bullish upside. Some midterm price targets even peg around $6.20. Now, on to the macro side. Crypto markets are closely watching the U.S. Federal. First, Bitcoin pulled back sharply after Polymarket's odds of rate cuts dropped, fueled by hotter-than-expected producer price data. That saw BTC fall from a high of $124,000 to around $117,000. Meanwhile, Rieder, BlackRock CIO, suggests we may be entering one of the best macro setups ever, thanks to solid earnings and possible rate cuts, hinting that liquidity could flood back into cryptos. Finally, covering geopolitics. Ukrainian President Zelenskyy is heading to Washington to meet Trump to discuss a peace deal, not just a ceasefire. This comes after Trump's summit with Putin in Alaska, where he shifted away from demanding a ceasefire and instead pushed for a comprehensive peace settlement, raising concerns in Kyiv. Crypto is riding on global moves, institutional flows, regulatory clarity, and central bank policy swings, plus mega moves from actors like American Bitcoin. At the same time, geopolitics, from Ukraine to U.S. relations. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot. See you in the next one.